Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we are gonna make a miniature sandals for our Barbie. They're super quick and easy to make. All you need is a paperboard, white glue, yarn or ribbons, colored paper, and a scissor. You also need a pair of flat Barbie shoes to trace onto the paperboard. But if you don't have one, Barbie's feet is also okay to use. Trace 4 soles on the paperboard and cut. Then trace 2 more on the colored paper. Cut those 2 soles. And paste each of it onto the paperboard with white glue. Next, take out your ribbon. And glue them on the soles we made. Make sure to place your doll's feet to the sole while gluing the ribbon down, so that it will fit well later on. You can also use cotton buds as a substitute for your doll's feet. After the ribbon dries, add glue at the bottom and stack the other sole together. Let it dry, and with a thread and needle, sew a running stitch on the middle of the ribbon. And pull together. You can also add beads for aesthetic. After that, turn the shoe and measure the sides with a ruler. Then trace a thin strip to the same colored paper we used. And with a toothpick, spread the glue evenly. And cover the sides with the strip. Let it dry, and we're done. Now, if you have a thinner ribbon, try to glue it in a crisscross pattern for a different design. It's a bit hard to glue it down, but try to be patient. Stack the soles again and cover the paperboard sides with a strip of paper. I made another sandals but with a much thicker ribbon this time. I sew on the middle part to make this cute butterfly design. Now for the last one, we are gonna use a yarn. Cut 3 pieces of yarn and start braiding them. Secure the ends and glue it down to the sole. Cut the excess yarn and let it set to dry. Then paste the other sole together. Make sure to hold it down really hard while waiting for it to dry so that the yarn will lay flat between the paper boards. Cover the sides and we're done with the sandals. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all next time. Paalam!